Overwhelmed with creating YouTube videos consistently? Then this YouTube workflow is just for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my YouTube workflow which I have been using recently and has helped me create consistent content on YouTube and other social media platforms. Steal my YouTube workflow so that you can also create content consistently for your YouTube. To be honest, I've tried a lot of YouTube workflows when I first started my YouTube channel, but none of them worked for me. I will get overwhelmed and overthink so much until there is come to a point that I just don't want to create anything for my YouTube channel. I even quit YouTube for a good 6 months before reviving it back. So in this video, I want to share with you the YouTube workflow that worked for me, especially if you're working alone. Meaning you do everything alone, from researching, filming, writing, scheduling, all that jazz. I know a lot of you feel intimidated by YouTube, but let me tell you that YouTube is actually a social media platform where you can actually engage with your audience and also create content that is searchable on Google. After all, YouTube is the second largest search engine. Okay, first things first, let me be the one to tell you to not cram all your YouTube batch creating content into one day, because that was a killer for me when I first starting YouTube channel. I crammed everything from researching, filming, writing, designing, scheduling, everything in one day. So what you need to do is to divide these processes into days. Depends on your comfort level, these processes can be divided between 4 to 5 days. I will go through what is the process for each particular day and show you some of my thought process and also behind the scenes. Day number 1 is the research day for me. Research day consists of finding video ideas for my YouTube channel. I usually take up 2 to 3 hours of my time to do research. And where do I research for my video ideas? I have 3 different places that I always go to. First, Google, of course. You just need to start typing on Google for this. Google has this ability to autofill for you what people are searching for. So those are all great ideas to start creating videos on. You can also scroll down and see what people are asking about on that topic. Second, definitely YouTube. If you do have existing videos, those are great indicators for your next video. You can go into your analytics and check out which video content is doing well, and you can create more videos around that topic. If you're just starting out on your YouTube channel, then researching other creators will help. Check out what kind of video topics they are creating or their comment section to see what their audience is talking about. You can get video ideas from there as well. Third, a plugin called TubeBuddy. It has the ability to explore keyword and showcase the overall score and analysis of that particular keyword that you are looking for. You can also look at the related searches people are searching on YouTube. These keywords are great indicators to create videos for your YouTube channel. If you want to try TubeBuddy for your YouTube channel, click on the link in the description below to install. Alright, so now day 1 is done. Day 2 goes to writing day. I spend a bit more time on this, usually between 4 to 6 hours. My writing day consists of writing scripts, YouTube descriptions, and also captions for my other social media platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn. I have a YouTube video process on Google Sheet and also script template. Let me show you how it looks like. I have this YouTube video process where I create all my content, my batch content every month. So I will have different weeks on this left hand side corner, and I will have like a video title, what's my purpose of this particular video, and the format. And also on the right hand side is where I can create the content ideas, what's the description and the call to action, and where do I want to repurpose the video itself on different platforms, whether I want to post it as a newsletter or even as a blog, or maybe on LinkedIn, Instagram, or also TikTok. I then have my script template. So my script template is where I can put in all my details of the video itself. So I have my main takeaways. I do have also some of the thumbnail ideas, storyline, and some of the scripts that I want to create for that particular video, and I separate it between hook, content, and also outro. Okay, day 1 and day 2 is done. Day 3 is my favorite day, filming day. This will take about 2 to 4 hours of my time. I will have a set of clothes that I will choose to record for each video. So on filming day, I not only film full videos like this, I also film B-roll shots that I need to include in my video and also snapshots for my YouTube thumbnail. When I film my video, I don't film it in one go. I will actually break my scripts into parts and I will record each part for each clip. So technically, you will have one script, one video clip. One script, one video clip. This is basically easy for you to do editing later on. Also, if you want to check out some of the equipment that I use for my YouTube channel, you can click on the link in the description below. Day 4 is editing and scheduling day. This will again take about 2 to 4 hours of my time. I will also use editing day to design YouTube thumbnails and carousel for my Instagram. Remember, I mentioned earlier I will record one script to one clip. This is where it will become easier when I do editing. Most of the time, I use CapCut Desktop to edit my YouTube videos because it's really easy to use, and also CapCut has a lot more functions, like if for example you want to do auto captions or you want to repurpose to any social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you can easily adjust the size and repurpose them. After I'm done with editing and designing the assets, I will go ahead to schedule the videos and also the repurposed content. That's it. That's the entire YouTube workflow that I have been using. The number of hours each day really depends on individual. I do have some of my YouTube mentoring students who spend more time on video filming and editing but lesser time on writing. Basically, you still need to find a sweet spot for yourself, but having different days for different process will definitely help you in your YouTube journey. You also don't have to do it on consecutive days. For example, if you are creating batch content for February 2023, you can plan in such a way that one day in week 1, you do research. One day in week 2, you do writing. One day in week 3, you do filming. One day in week 4, you do editing and scheduling. By February 2023, you will have the whole month of video content ready and scheduled. Now that you have my entire YouTube workflow, you can implement immediately and use it for your next video content. I'm also opening my YouTube mentoring program in January 2023. Comment YouTube in the comment section below and I'll send you the link for you to register. I appreciate you for watching and I see you in this next video.